Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to block calls from unknown numbers. So if at the end of this you find this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to block calls from unknown numbers on your Android phone, all you need to do is go ahead and open the phone app, click on the three dots at the top right, locate and click on settings. Then hang on for settings to open. On the settings page, locate and click on block numbers. Now, if you have the unknown numbers number, just go ahead and type in the number here. And then click on the plus button. And if you have the unknown number saved on your phone, click on contact and then select the number, click on done. Also, if you want to block all unknown numbers on your phone, just turn on block calls from unknown numbers and then hit the back button, and that's it. So that is exactly how to block calls from unknown numbers on Android or on Samsung phone. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.